Welcome to Adhikesavan Photography. In today's video, we will be exploring an underrated gem, Karikili Bird Sanctuary. Our journey begins from Chennai. The route is same as Vedanthangal Bird Sanctuary till Mamando, then take right turn towards Uthiramerur. From here, a peaceful countryside road leads us to Chithathur, where we take a left turn. And after about 2 kilometers, a right turn guides us into the calm and untouched world of Karikili Bird Sanctuary. Not far from the renowned Vedanthangal Bird Sanctuary lies a quieter, lesser-known haven, untouched by crowds, yet overflowing with natural beauty, Karikili Bird Sanctuary. The sanctuary features 2 scenic walking trails, each offering a unique experience. The right side track is perfect for morning birding. The left side track is the longer route, leading to a beautiful sunrise viewpoint watchtower. Straight ahead, there is a school where you can park your vehicle. As we step onto track 2, the air is cool, filled with the soothing sounds of rustling leaves and distant bird calls, nature slowly awakening. Golden light begins to spill across the wetlands, the first rays of sunrise touching the water, painting everything in warm, glowing hues. Mist drifts silently over the marsh, wrapping the landscape in a calm, dreamlike atmosphere. With every step, the silence deepens, broken only by wings fluttering, soft ripples in the water, and melodies of morning birds greeting the day. Reaching the watchtower, the view opens wide, a breathtaking panorama of golden wetlands, floating mist, and endless sky. Track 1 is perfect for birders and bird photographers in the morning, with the sunlight behind us creating soft, ambient light. Karikili is one of those rare, underrated places that many travelers pass by, yet it holds incredible beauty for those who seek silence and nature. This sanctuary is calm, untouched, and deeply peaceful. A perfect escape for bird lovers and photographers. For birders, Karikili is a paradise, offering close encounters, natural behavior, and raw wilderness. And for macro lovers, the tiny world thrives here too. Dragonflies, damselflies, butterflies, and hidden wetland life waiting to be discovered. At the end of the trail, a viewing shed serves as a bird hide where we can set up our cameras, patiently observe, and capture birds glowing in the golden morning light. Here is a glimpse of birds in action, a lively compilation from the wild. In the silence of wetlands, we don't just watch birds, we feel nature. Karikili reminds us, the most beautiful places are often the quietest ones. Thank you for being part of this journey. Please stay tuned next Sunday at 10 a.m. for the Vedanthangal Bird Sanctuary birding vlog.